first of all, on your audience. For coworkers, it's an international conference, or worse, defending your PhD thesis.
Usually you will have a first page, have a title for your presentation, and then an outline will help you to organize what you're going to present.
And the second important thing is how long do you have to present? But that's absolutely annoys me when I hear people just recitating their thing without any personality, spitting stuff out. You see a lot of people that come and what the hell just happened, right? What most people like, even in conferences, is some kind of interaction. When I see someone talk freely, just have a few things on his slide, I would think that he masters the subject. My slides are always, I have one title, a couple of figures, and just a conclusion sentence. It forces me to do all the transition, all the explaining myself, right?
First, you're going to probably talk about the scientific background or your motivation, why you are doing this research. And then go into detail what's the approach you're going to do, study the object, research topic. Then you will present your detailed scientific discovery. You can itemize them.
The thing that people don't like is when you have a slideshow, and there's so much stuff on it transparent. By the time you're done reading the title and trying to figure out what's going on, the guy's talking and you just miss the point. Rule of thumb, when you do a presentation, it's if you take out title, conclusion, acknowledgements, and all this stuff, a minute per slide.
For each slide, usually probably will take you 1 minute.
At conferences, you see the other guys taking pictures. Every single slide that goes through, check, 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 check. If you keep it simple, just put the graph in there, and the guy doesn't remember what you said, he's not going to do much with it. It's also kind of to protect yourself. You don't want your competitors to really steal everything from you.
People want to get from you is clarity. You want to differentiate yourself, your paper, from prior arts.
The reason you go to a conference is for the questions afterward. Your stuff is not ready to be published in a paper and you'd like to have some feedback. The first questions you will get from an audience that doesn't necessarily know your work, and you're going to be like, oh yeah, I forgot about that. And it's going to give you another thing to look at. That's what you're here for. So if you take too much time exposing, you get 1 or 2 questions, and then kind of your time is kind of wasted because that's what you came for, right?